Rajesh Sonar and I will teach you business study. Before starting my class, I would like to give you some suggestion. So number one, don't try to memorize the things. You have to focus on your concept and how to develop the concept. If you can relate the subjects with your daily life or with your surroundings, then you can conceptualize the things. If you can conceptualize the things, it will last forever, and memorize things you can forget at any time. So it is my suggestion, you conceptualize the things. Number two, never hesitate to ask any question. If you have any confusion, you can ask me again and again until your problem is solved. It is your duty to ask question and our responsibility is to solve your problem. Number three, commerce is totally new for you, so it is immaterial whether you have scored 30% or 60% or 80%. You are standing at 0 point and you can start from here, okay? And those who can start better way, they can score good marks in higher secondary exam and their future in career, their future in commerce, they can find their futures in commerce, okay? And now we'll start our class. Before starting my class, again I want to repeat, try to focus on concept. Yes, then we can start our first class. So in our first class we will discuss types of human activity. Human activities can be classified into two groups. What are they? Economic activities and number two, non-economic activities. What is economic activity? So activity which is concerned to earn money, that is called economic activity. Perhaps you have heard the term business, profession and employment. So these are the examples of what? Economic activity. Again, non-economic activities, religious activities, parental activities, social activities. Mother cooking food at home, it's the example of non-economic activities. Now we'll discuss one by one what is business. So all of you have experienced business, some of your family members doing business. So what is business? We'll discuss now. See, business refers to activities concerned with the production and exchange of goods and services with the aim of earning profit. Example is given here, hotel. So definition we'll discuss later on. Hotel, what they do? They produce, hotel or restaurant, what they do? They produce some goods and services. For example, a restaurant wala, what they, for example, they produce what? Samosa, okay, and they sell it in regular basis to earn what? Profit. So this is business. Pan wala, they procure some goods from manufacturer and they sell it in regular basis to earn profit. So this is business. Is it clear? Number next, profession. What is profession? A profession is an occupation which involves the rendering of personal services of a specialized nature. For example, doctor. You can see in profession, examples, doctor. So you cannot treat any patient because you do not have that knowledge. To treat a patient, you have to develop or you have to learn some special knowledge, and training also required. Like doctor, as doctor, they have completed their MBBS and they train themselves and they got certificate from professional body, then they can treat, they are allowed to treat the patient. So profession is clear. Next, employment. Employment is simple. When a person undertake to render his personal service for salary or wages, okay, that is called employment. And qualification is depend upon the nature of work. For a clerk is different qualification, for a chowkidar is different qualification, for a teacher is different qualification.